Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to enable Ultra Battery Saver in Samsung Galaxy A16. If you're using A16 and you want to turn on Ultra Battery Savers, let's see how can you do that. You just have to open your settings app. In settings, just scroll down and look for battery option, tap on it, and here just tap on power saving option. And here you can see there's a power saving. You can simply enable power saving from here. So if you want to enable ultra battery saver, just scroll down and you will get here a setting which is limit apps and home screen. You can see there's a maximum power saving mode. You must have to enable that settings, and here just enable power saving. Once you have enabled, you will get this type screen. Here you will access some limited apps on your home screen. So that's your ultra power saving or ultra battery saver in your Samsung Galaxy A16. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.